3D printed human face stress toy is shatterproof and tear resistant when you're feeling stressed. Just give it a squeeze, and it feels amazing. Hey everyone, this might just be the most stress relieving face you've ever laid eyes on. Today, we're going to talk all about this fantastic stress reliever and see just how addictive it can be. There are so many color options, it's almost overwhelming. There are over a dozen solid color styles alone. Let's check out another color. It's made from flexible PLA material, 3D printed in one piece. Listen to the sound, it's super stress relieving, right? The way to play with it is simple, just fit the top and bottom parts together. Take a look at the assembly process, isn't that cool? If you're stuck working at the computer all day and feeling frustrated, don't hesitate, grab one and start playing. While there's no scientific data to back it up, people who've played with it say their irritability drops by at least half. My colleagues even squeeze it while walking around. There are tons of ways to mix and match, and it looks great too. There's even a glow-in-the-dark version, and let me show you. It glows really bright, so you can have fun with it at night too. Check out this alien-style. The eyes, nose, and mouth are all independently designed, and the lines of the facial features, they're absolutely impossible to stop squeezing. This skull design has deep-set eye sockets and smooth lines, and this human face design, detail lovers will definitely fall for it. There are more combinations, realistic yet with a bit of a silly charm. Let's keep looking. These on the table are some of my favorite combinations. This blue-green one looks just like a cute mint macaron, doesn't it? Surprised, there's even an Iron Man version. This black and white human face has a really high-end vibe. Look at what I'm holding, what do you think it looks like? The red and green combo reminds me of the handsome Joker. Which one do you like best? Feel free to let me know in the comments. Type 1 for the Lakers style, 11 for the Joker, 2 for Iron Man, 3 for another combination you like. You can also tag your friends in the comments to see which style suits them best. See you next time. And remember, when you're stressed, don't hold it in. Just give it a squeeze.